In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Steam library folder. This is a quick way to manage your game storage across multiple drives, whether you're adding a new SSD for faster load times or simply organizing space so one drive doesn't fill up. I'll walk you through it clearly and offer helpful context so nothing feels confusing. Start by opening Steam on your computer. If it's already running, make sure you're on the main window. Look to the top left corner and click the Steam menu, then choose Settings. This is where Steam keeps most of its management tools. In the Settings window, find the Storage section in the sidebar. Storage is the place where Steam shows your current library locations and how much space is available on each drive. Inside Storage, look for the Add Drive button or a small plus icon. Both do the same thing. They let you add a new place where Steam can install games. Click it, and when prompted, choose Let me choose another location. This option gives you full control, so you're not limited to the default path Steam suggests. Now, you'll pick exactly where your new library will live. Navigate to the drive you want to use and either select an existing folder you've dedicated for Steam games or create a new one. Many people name it something clear like Steam Library, but the name is up to you. Try to avoid system-protected locations and choose a folder where you have full write permissions. It's also smart to make sure the drive has plenty of free space and is a stable, always available location. If you're using an external drive, keep it connected whenever you play to avoid errors. On Windows, sticking with an NTFS formatted drive is typically best for compatibility. Once you've selected or created the folder, click Add to confirm. Steam will register the folder and display it in the storage list alongside your other library locations. That's your confirmation that everything worked. From now on, when you install a game, you'll be able to pick this new library in the Install dialog, which makes it easy to keep large titles on a roomy drive or your most played games on a faster SSD. And that's it. You've successfully added a Steam library folder without changing any existing installs. If you ever want to review space or add another location later, just return to Steam, open Settings, head to Storage, and repeat these same choices.